So why is everyone sourcing from Bangladesh? Let's dive into the playbook and find out. Picking the right country is huge. It affects your timing, quality, and how big you can grow. This explicit is going to break down exactly what you need to know before you make the leap. Right, so seasoned buyers get it. The price tag is only part of the story. You gotta know your total landed cost. That's the real number, including everything to your door. Just looking at unit price is a trap. You'll get hit with hidden costs later on. Okay, so what are they really good at? Let's check out their main production strengths. This makes them perfect for brands who need a reliable partner for the long haul. So, what do you need before you even call a factory? Getting this right is key. You'll hear the term MOQ a lot. It's the minimum number of pieces they'll make for you. Without these three things locked down, you're just not ready to talk to a supplier. Seriously. Here's a look at a typical timeline. Pro tip, always add a buffer for busy seasons. And it's not a one-way street anymore. Factories now expect clear standards from you. Get your specs sorted out early. It'll save you so many headaches down the line. So how do the pros lock in good prices? It's not just about haggling, you know? This strategy builds a way better relationship and makes your cost predictable. That's a huge win. So should you get a sourcing agent? They can be a total game changer, especially if you're new. Basically, they're your team on the ground, handling all the local stuff for you. And quality control? This 3-step plan is non-negotiable. You absolutely have to do it. Okay, let's switch gears to money. Managing financial risk is huge for building trust. A 30-70 split is super common, 30% upfront, 70% when it's done, safe for everyone. For bigger orders, things like a letter of credit offer even more protection for your cash. Now, what do the factories want from you? They're not just looking for a one-off order. Do this, and you become a priority. That means better service and a real solid partnership. So, ask yourself, is your strategy about partnership or just chasing the lowest price? That choice matters.